Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can create your own logo online. And the website we are going to be going to is called logomaker.com. There's no E in the maker, so it's makr.com. So this is the logomaker.com website. When you land on the website, you are presented with a video. You can play the video so you know more about the website and your way around. But if you're familiar with the website, you can skip that. You can always come back to the video later. So I'm going to X out of the video for now. And this is what the interface looks like. So if you want to browse all the different icons or logos, you click on that and that will give you all the logos they have. So you can click on the one that interests you. So if you want to do logos relating to animals, you click on animals, abstract, shapes, nature, and so on. Also, you can type your subject title in here. For example, if I want to do something relating to design, I can type design and do a search on that, and it will bring up everything relating to design. Okay, so I particularly like this one, so I'm going to click on that one and just going to, you can drag and move. I'm going to drag and move that there for a while and just going to drag this to the corner. You can also add text to your logo, so by clicking on this T thing that stands for text. So what you can do, you just type in the text you want. For example, if I typed in, say, digital, and you can resize it. If you want to resize, just grab this and just drag it along. And if you want to move it, just escape out of there and just drag it. Okay, so it's movable and you can add as many text as you want. So I'll click again to add another and I'll just get rid of that and just type in digital learning, and I will just resize this a bit. Okay, and escape that and just bring it up. You can also resize it and make the text bigger by dragging it along. So if you drag it, as you're dragging it, the text gets bigger. All right, so feel free to play around. I'm just going to add one more text. I'm going to type in academy. Okay, and I'll escape out of that. I'll just drag it along and I can just move it. So it's all movable, so you can move it anywhere you want and you can rearrange it. So once you've got the text you want, you can always rearrange it. As you are building the components of your logo, you can see the layers here. Because I've added 3 text, you can see it says fancy text, fancy text, fancy text. And then we've got the actual clip art, which is this art here. You can also rearrange your components. So I want to rearrange my text so that I'll have this digital. I'll bring that under here just to align it there. And I'll bring this one here and I'll align it on the 3rd character. Okay, so you can do all kinds of things, move it around to suit the position you want. You can also change the color by using this color wheel here. So what I want to do first, I want to use this here, it's called the eyedropper, and I want to use that to dip on this color so I can select the color. So you can see the color is selected. All right, so I'll go into this one and I'll go into the color dipper and select that. You can see it's selected the digital, and then I'll come here, use the color dipper, select this and click on that color. Okay, so the color has changed, so I've swapped the color around. So if you can use this color, this eyedropper, just to dip the color you want, and then it shows up here. You can see they're all highlighted now. All right, one thing I want to do also, I want to make the outline a bit thicker. So click on this outline here. I'm going to make this, say, 5 pixels. Makes it thick. And this one as well, I'll change the outline and make it 5 pixels as well. And then this one as well, I'll come to the outline, make it 5 pixels. So what you can also do, like with this one here, you can see it's got another color inside. So I'll click on the, while I've got it clicked, I'll click on the outline and click inside to make sure there's no color selected inside this box. You can see inside the rectangle, I've clicked on it and the inside color disappears. So if you're happy with the positioning, you can select. So I'm going to just select all this. So they are one. And then once they are selected, I'll just move it down a bit. So I've highlighted just the text. You can see it's selected here and not the actual. So I've highlighted all the 3 texts and I'm just going to position it where I want it positioned by the logo. Okay, just going to leave it there. All right, so once you're happy with the positioning, you can see all here, then you can click on the save button. So I'm going to click on the save button, click save, and that will save the logo. You've got an option to pay if you want a high resolution, but if you want it for free, as long as you're happy to give them credit, just click on download, agree to give credit. So just make sure you give them credit so they know where the logo was created. So you can see my logo is downloaded. Once you download the logo, you can always come back to it to make edits. And the way you do that is to save this link here. You see this link here? They're very kind to give you a link. So make sure you save that link somewhere, and then you can always come back later to edit the logo if you wish to do so. In this video, I showed you how to create a logo, and in the next video, we're going to incorporate that logo into our WordPress website. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.